Is me at straight? I think it is. You over here. Hello. Right. While that's setting off, it's a bit warm. Started off cold. Right, good evening. Welcome to another video. I don't know how long this one's going to be. It's just me in the workshop tonight. Dave's away with work again, so he's back on Thursday. So I want to try and get a couple of bits done for him before he gets back. So my intention is, I'm not going to set any goals, but just so you're aware, I'm going to try and get this part of the wing just here. I'm going to try and get it smoothed off. It's got quite a lot of filler on it, so I'm going to try and get that smoothed off, prep this wing up. I can cut this side part off, and then hopefully while while filler is drying off, I can get the front panel out and get that repaired as well. That's my theory. And then if I can get those both repaired, time dependent, I've got, what, 2 hours, so I'm going to see if I can get those repaired and then even get them into paint. That would be nice. If I can get them primed, at least they're done. And then on Thursday, we can get some NATO on them. And then that gives us the ability to start building the front end back up. That's my thought process anyway. So there's going to be a bit of time lapse because I'm on my own. So I'm going to try and just crack on. So I'm going to bring you along, but it'll be time lapse, and I'll come in and out as and when. So yes, let's get on. Got a hat on, it's cold. So first things first, we're going to get a bit of sandpaper on a thing, and give it a bit of a key up and see what we're working with. Then I might just get a skimmer filler on it and give it a block. We'll see. Let's start by doing that. Right, so we've got it smoothed off now. It's a little few imperfections, so I'm just going to mix up a little bit of filler and just go with a real light skim over the top of it. We ain't going to need much. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm going to go a little bit of filler over the top of it, and then while that's tacking off, I can just sand the top off, because once that's ready and the front's all sanded, I'll cut this side wing off, then it's ready for the booth. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it should be all right. Right then, so tiny little bit of filler. Let's go over the pinholes. Don't need a huge amount. Like so. Go over, what a plonker. We'll go over some of these areas on the wing that's showing a little bit of corrosion. And then we can sand them off as well, make them look nice and neat. Hopefully. Sometimes these can just make all of the difference. Sorry, I'm probably covering most of the camera work. There we go. Right, we'll let that go off. While that's going off, we'll get on with the top. So back to time lapse. Right, so while we're waiting for the wing to just dry off, or set, should I say, it's getting there, it's nearly there. We've run over with the sandpaper on the top. That's fairly smooth now. So I'm going to tackle the faceplate. I've got to take those off. I'll try and fill the holes with a bit of weld. And then there's a little bit of repair to do on the bottom here. So I'm going to try and cut these bits out, new panels in, and weld them up. Nothing too major, I don't think, so fingers crossed anyway. So we'll get the world's best tool. The world's best tool, should I say. That would do it, I think. Right, back in a mo. Maximo. Hot. Hot. There we go. There we go. And then if we can get away with cleaning that up. Okay, now I am going to cheat and I am going to put a skim of filler over that, but it is repaired and the rot is cut out, so I don't feel guilty about using a bit of filler. We've got time. So the good news is this is still hot from the welding process, so it's probably going to help us a little bit and also potentially hinder us. Okay. There we go. Right. Done. I'll just finish off sanding this front bit, see how that's come out. Right, so this is set off nicely now, so we're just going to go over it with some 600 grit and see how it comes out. And we'll do the same with these bits here, and hopefully that'll be good to go. I think that's come up pretty well actually. I think that'll take a paint. Seems like it's just a very, very light skim of filler now. And I've just got a little bit here to get off. And then prep the front panel. And hopefully I might be able to get a coat of paint on it. Let's see. We're going to guide coat this now. Mick's going to show me what to do. Stupidly, I'm using this hand, and for anybody that knows me, I can't feel this hand. So I don't know what I was feeling for. Guide coat. Now what you'll see is low spots and high spots. Look.
Low, yeah, low.
Oh yeah, look at the difference in that straight away. I didn't think there was that much filler in it, but clearly there is.
I'll tell the difference, even just that.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
So you need to mix up some more filler. And you'll find that that top edge there is low, and there, you can see that was low then. It's there, low's there. So, if you tape off that line there.
Yeah.
There's a dent there and all.
Character.
And put a skim. You put a full skim in.
Yeah.
You bend your spatula as you do it.
Yeah.
Just put a skim in, leave it, and then obviously block it, and that'll be mint.
Okie dokie. Bit of tape. Masking tape. I'll be right. Great then. We haven't got any tape open, have we, before I open this one? Wow. Dee-dee-dee. Da-da-da. Worth going into the crease. Right then, bit more filler. We've got to cut this off, which will get that edge nice and straight now. But I think I'll chop this edge off, tidy that up, and I think that's ready for paint then. I don't think we'll get paint on it tonight, it's already late. In fact, I won't chop it off. It's already 11:15. So, yes. Well, it turns out that it's not going to be Thursday because I had quite a bit of footage from this one, so I'm going to set this one up as its own video. So we'll do another video next time we're in the workshop, because hopefully we're going to get those wings and that front panel in some paint. So thank you very much for watching this one. It's the reason why I'm at home doing the outro, because I thought that maybe I would manage to get a bit more done, but I didn't. So Thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, give us a like. It does make a big difference. It moves us up in the YouTube recommended and gets us out there to other people. So if you would, that would be great. Links in the description as normal, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.